Hey guys, so I have two brew units. I have my old brew unit which have the guide piece and a new brew unit which doesn't come with the guide piece. So what do? How do you transfer the old one to the new brew unit? It's very simple. So you look right here, right in the middle here. What you want to do is get a small flat, go down right here, push down, twist it a little bit until it pops, and slide it forward. Now, so here's your new one. Push up on the inside to get it forward so you can see a little better. And then you get the guide piece, slide it up right here, and push it back and press down right here, snap it in, and now it's locked. It's very simple. Take you a few short seconds to swap your guide piece over from your old brew unit, the old one, onto your new one. Alright, it's very simple. Hope this helped. If any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.